how to turn on or turn off apps that can use Siri suggestions notifications. Now first, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Notifications. Next, in here, tap on Siri Suggestions. And then at the top here, make sure that you switch on Allowed Notifications. Once the toggle button is switched on, you can go down the list here and you can go to each of the individual apps and turn on or turn off these features. So if I want to turn off Siri suggestions for FaceTime, I can tap on the toggle button to switch it off. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to settings or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.